Smoke still coming in the house. It's 7 in the morning. Dog's been up all night, they're frightened to death. Wife sleeping in the spare room because it's first away from the house. From the wherever it is, smoke, and there's the fire alarms there, but there's no batteries in them. She's been frightened to death, that girl. They carry these little stippers around because they're frightened. Drinking loads of water. It's me. It's wrong. It's past 7 in the morning. No, it's not. It's 5 to 7 in the morning. That's it. Last night, this little dog here was frightened to death. She had to stay in bed with me. But sadly, what she done, I think you can see it, she's frightened. She peed the bed.